Hey everybody, Tim here, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Two things, it's January 1st, 2024, and it's cold as crap outside. But hey, I'm out here at the Morgan Monroe State Forest, Park Kilo 4215, and I'm doing a Parks on the Air activation today. So I've actually been set up for here for a little while, and I've been doing FTA, which is kind of cool, and actually kind of new for me in the portable space. But let me show you what I got set up here. All right, so as you can see, I got the Bronco here, and I've kind of backed into one of those little pull-offs that they've got out here. I don't know if you can see, but I've got the 10-meter Jackite pole up there, and it's acting as the center point for my antenna. And then over here off this tree, I've also got I've got the 10-meter PackTenna fiberglass pole supporting the other end. And then over in the woods, I've got the feed point. I'm using the PackTenna 2040 infed half wave, and I've got both segments up. Just to give you a quick rundown. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I've got the radio gear set up in the cab of the Bronco front seat. So this is a front seat POTA and some RG8 coming out. And then over here, I've got the feed point of the PackTenna 2040 infed half wave, and I've just got it kind of supported here with some line. And then I don't know if you can see it up there at the top, but once again, the top of the Jackite pole, I've got the connection point for the 20-meter segment and the 40-meter segment, and then the 40-meter segment runs over there. All right, so it's cold out here. I'm gonna get back in the truck. Let's get on the air and make some contacts. All right, well, I'm in the truck now. I've got the IC7300. I've got it set up right now here on the front seat with, I do have the PackTenna RF Choke coil in line with that too. And then I'm gonna be using the Jackite with hammers for logging. I'm going to double check, make sure the frequency's not in use, and then I'm going to go ahead and get myself spotted and start calling CQ. Is the frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Is the frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. All right, well, nobody's replying. I'm going to spot it and go. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air from Park Kilo 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air and standing by.
Kilo Golf 4, Zulu Oscar India.
Kilo Golf 4, Zulu Oscar India. You're 5-9 into the park today.
I didn't get all the call and I didn't get all the park. If you could, one more time, please. You are 5-9 North Carolina.
All right, I copied the 5-9 in North Carolina. My call sign is November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, NW9F, and my park number is Kilo 4215, 4215 QSL.
4215, thanks for the activation.
All right, thank you. You have a happy New Year in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air and standing by.
Whiskey Echo 6 Zulu.
Whiskey Echo 6 Zulu, you are 5-9 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest.
Roger, you are 5-5 in Northern California.
All right, thank you for the 5-5 into Northern California. You have a happy New Year in 73.
73.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, yours Ed. There was a Kilo 3 station.
Kilo Charlie 3, Whiskey Romeo Oscar.
Kilo Charlie 3, Whiskey Romeo Oscar. You're about a 5-1 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest.
Yeah, I got you 5-5 into Maryland. Thank you.
All right, thank you for the 5-5 into Maryland. You have a happy New Year in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, yours Ed.
Kilo Echo 2, Alpha Victor Alpha.
Kilo Echo 2, Alpha Victor Alpha. You are 5-9 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest.
Roger that. Thanks for the report. I've got you 5-7.
All right, I copied your 5-7. You have a happy New Year in 73.
Kilo
73, second operator,
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo Echo 2 Bravo Echo Kilo.
Kilo Echo 2 Bravo Echo Kilo, you're 5-9 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest.
5-9 into Southern New Jersey.
All right, thank you for the 5-9 into New Jersey. You have a Happy New Year in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo India 5, Hotel Victor Kilo.
Hotel India 5, Hotel Victor Kilo, you're 5-9 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest.
Kilo India 5, Hotel Victor Kilo, QSL.
I'm sorry, was that Hotel India 5?
Kilo India 5, Hotel Victor Kilo.
Okay, Kilo India 5, Hotel Victor Kilo, you're 5-9.
QSL, Tim, I have you 5-9 as well in Company Alpha, Louisiana.
All right, thank you very much for the 5-9 into Louisiana. You have a Happy New Year in 73.
73, Happy New Year, enjoy your activation.
All right, thank you very much. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Alpha Bravo 9, Alpha Hotel.
Was it Alpha Bravo 9, Alpha Hotel, QSL?
QSL, you are 5656. This is Wisconsin, Whiskey India.
All right, I copied your 5-6 into Wisconsin. You're 5-9 here in the Morgan Monroe State Forest. Kilo 4215, QSL.
QSL, thanks for that.
All right, thank you. You have a Happy New Year in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. Was there a November 5 station? November 5, Uniform Quebec, you are a 5-1 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest. All right, I copied your 5-4. Thank you very much. You have a Happy New Year in 73.
You do that. Happy New Year and go do yourself some tacos.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
November 1, November Yankee Tango.
The November Yankee Tango station.
This is November 1, November Yankee Tango. You're 5-5 in Montana.
All right, November 1, November Yankee Tango. You are 5-9 into the Morgan Monroe State Forest, and I copied your 5-5 into Montana. You have a Happy New Year in 73.
Thanks very much.
All right, Happy New Year. So in 8 minutes, 15 contacts on 20 meters. Not too bad. I'm going to do some hunting. I may or may not get that captured on this video and go from there. It looked like I got a ham alert that some of the other YouTubers that I follow are online right now doing POTA activations themselves. So I'm going to try to do some hunting. If I can capture something, I'll get it in the video. If not, I'm going to stop it here. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments section down below. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this content with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. So hopefully one day we'll catch you on there, but until then, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.